Hi, we're out here at the Haynes Auditorium in Batesburg, Leesville today, and we're with the South Carolina Bluegrass and Traditional Music Association. We're going to talk with Kevin a little bit about the upcoming workshop. It's going to be on Zoom. It's called Music Theory That Helps, and we wanted him to talk a little bit about some of the points that they're going to be covering and the instructors. Kevin?
Hey, well, as Nathan said, I'm Kevin Borgstead. Some of you have seen me around, some of you might not have. But what this workshop is about is showing you some of the things that I've picked up over the last umpteen years playing bass with bluegrass bands. Some music theory items. Don't get scared, don't get scared. I did use the words music theory, but we're going to do this easy way. I'm going to explain to you in simple words that make sense to me, so hopefully they will to you. And show you some things that help me get through the day and help me get through a jam session. We'll talk a little bit about how to kick off a tune. We'll talk a little bit about how you pick keys that work and how you transpose from one key to another one. And kind of introduce the notion, here's that music theory part, of how scales work and how you put together the scale tones in a given key that help you to understand what you can actually play that's going to work for a song. We'll introduce the Nashville number system that'll help you see the structure of a song so you can see how it's put together, to see how it's like other songs, how it's different from other songs. And I think once you get into that, you're going to find out that it's a lot easier for you to move from one jam song to the next. That means it's going to be more fun for you to play. That means people are going to be a lot happier for you to be playing with them.
And can you tell us about who the instructors would be? I know obviously you're going to be one of the instructors.
Well, oddly enough, yes, I will be. and Patrick's going to be there, and Larry Klein's going to be there, so they can add in some commentary and show you some examples of things on their instruments that, quite frankly, don't translate pretty well from a bass.
So would this relate to pretty much any bluegrass instrument?
Yeah, I think it will. Some things are a little different on some instruments. Obviously, if you're playing a fiddle, in some ways that's a little bit more like a bass than it is like a banjo. Some instruments capo very easily. Fiddles and basses don't. If you play auto harp, that definitely does not capo. But for the most part, yeah.
Okay. And when is that workshop going to be?
That's going to be in August, and quite frankly, I'm drawing a blank.
August the 8th.
August the 8th. Thank you for the help.
Sure. Okay, and how can they get more details and know how to sign up?
Well, we've got a copy of the registration form that's going to show up right down here in the comments field. I think you can also get one on the SC BTMA website. I think it's there. Can't remember if it's on the other portions of the Facebook page, but probably is somewhere.
It's on the website.
So there's a whole lot of ways.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Kevin, and we're looking forward to the workshop.
Me too. Should be fun for everybody.